Hi guys. In this video shown you how to create slide to shutdown from Windows 10. Right click on desktop, go to new and choose shortcut. Now write this path. %Windows direction %system32 / to shutdown.exe. Click on next button. Now choose any name for your shortcut, and click on finish to create your shortcut. Now test your shortcut. If you want to change shortcut icon, right click on your shortcut and choose Properties command. Click on Change Icon button, and choose any icon you want. Click on OK button, again click on OK button to change shortcut icon. Don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe me. Thanks for watching.